Hello everyone, this is K-Cook Tech bringing you the latest news in the tech world. Today, we have some exciting updates for all of you eager jailbreakers out there. That's right, I'm talking about the newest version of Serotonin, version 1.2.0. For those of you who didn't catch our previous video, Serotonin is a powerful jailbreak tool that allows you to customize and enhance your iOS device. And with this new update, there are even more features and improvements to make your jailbreaking experience even better. First up, we have the new Uninstaller Reinstaller option. This makes it easier to uninstall and reinstall Serotonin, making the process more seamless and hassle-free. Next, there is now an option to hide confidential text within the app. This is perfect for those of you who want to keep your personal information private and secure. We also have some exciting news for all of our ARM64 device users out there. Thanks to V1.2.0 and a special shout out to Sora, we have added support for ARM64 devices and fixed support for iPads. This is a huge step forward for Serotonin, and we couldn't be more thrilled. But that's not all. We have also fixed the M1/2 support regression from the previous version. This means that Serotonin should now work smoothly on these devices. In addition to these updates, we have also added an exploit picker in the simple and old UI. However, there are still some pickers crashing that we are working on fixing. We are also working on adding support for iOS 15 by adding IO Surface KRW plus vNode offsets. For those of you who are wondering how to use this tool, don't worry, we got you covered. In order to use Serotonin, you need to be on a supported version, iOS iPadOS 16.0, June 1st, 16. And have TrollStore installed. If you haven't installed TrollStore yet, you can follow our guide in the description to do so. Please note that Serotonin does not support iOS 17.0, despite TrollStore being available on it. So be sure to download and install the necessary files from roothide and Soleo for a smooth experience. That's all we have for you today regarding Serotonin V1.2.0. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. Happy jailbreaking!